Hey everyone, how are you all doing? I'm glad to have you back to my channel. My name is Hilda. If you don't know, my channel's name is SassyHilda. Today I'll be making a new tutorial, and today's tutorial will be about making a mirror frame which I'll be putting on the wall, and I'll be making it with a paper. Here are the items I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using a scissors. I'm going to be using a glue stick. I'll also be using a glue gun. I'll be using a black cardboard paper, and here's the mirror I'll be using. All the materials I'll be using will be in the description box down below, and if you have any question about this tutorial, please go ahead and write it down and I will be replying. I would like you all to stay tuned and watch this tutorial. So now we're going to take the board paper and we're going to measure it to know the size of the leaves I'm going to be making. So I will take a ruler and a pencil. I'll measure from 0 to 5 centimeter. I'm going to take the ruler and I draw a straight line down to the end of the paper. Once I have the paper measured, I'm going to cut out the lines. So this is what I've been needing to make this small leaf. I'm going to bend it into two. And cut it out again, this time in the middle. So this is what I have. And I'll try to make a triangle at the top. Try to make sure the triangles are equal as possible. And then we're going to cut it off. So now that we have it cut out, we're going to make a straight line in the middle, just with the ruler. So in the middle of the paper is going to have a straight line, and the leaf is going to be like this. This is what we want to get. And then take it with the other one and you just cut out the triangle. This is much easier because it will make all the papers to look the same. So we have an equal paper, equal size, everything is equal. We're going to continue with this process throughout to make all the small leaves. So I'm going to take the mirror and start applying the paper to it. I've gone around the mirror and I've done the first leaf around it, and this is how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and it was a pleasure for me doing all these beautiful tutorials. Comment and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the tutorial. I hope to see you watching my next videos. Thank you so much, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.